Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is the 15th of July and the 15th episode of hashtag Jelly Postcard Play, the challenge by Ceri the Crafter. So we are going to go for it. We're almost halfway there, aren't we? So this is going to be our background. Let's get that on. Yeah, can't believe we're halfway through July already. All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's get that down. All right. Close. Close to covering it. That's all right. We can trim it up. Just have to remove the hairiness from my scissors. I can't tolerate it. It just bugs me. Okay, so now it's on my finger. That's even worse. Okay, so I've got this music I want to put on here. Let's give it a little edge. Okay. Okay, so I am going to put that kind of right there, I think. I've got this cute little like corner I think I'm going to put on, but let's figure out our flowers first. Okay, I think I'm just going to put that right over the music. It's going to be tricky to get down. It's got like a gazillion little leaves and little stems and things that aren't going to want to glue down, I think. But that's okay. We'll get her done. Okay. Goodness. It's even worse up here at the top. Okay, well, there's bits that are not stuck down. We'll deal with that in a minute. So you just lay yourself right down there, little flower. Okay. This needs glue. That needs more glue. That needs more glue. Okay. I think we got it pretty well. Now I think I'm going to put that down first and then this? Nope, I'm going to put this down first. It's just another one of the little flowers that I thought would kind of fill in down here. If I just kind of put that there. Okay, then we've got this faux, corner cover thing. And I'm going to put it right here. Like that. And then we have our 15. And where was I thinking of putting that? Maybe. I think I like it at the top. You guys could probably see better than I where it should go. Sometimes I know through the camera it's almost easier to see than in real life. Alrighty then, let's get that distressed around the edges. Got a little white showing here because I didn't get the background quite where it should have been, but that's okay. Okay. And there you have it. There is July 15th. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a grateful day. Be kind always, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.